Have you ever tried to make money online? And most probably the answer would be yes. Online earning, the most interesting things in our life. We all wanted to know about making money online at least once or twice in our life. Imagine for a second you are earning money from your home. Isn't that interesting and good things? So hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. This is Shaniwaj. Today I'll review a Android application and it's almost related to online earning. Before starting my application review, I would like to thank our honorable teacher MD Didar Hossain sir for giving me this opportunity. Today I am going to review QuizPay. This is a popular quiz application on Google Play. The application is based on an online quiz, and the most interesting thing is that you can get real money rewards through this application. When you're getting bored playing quizzes, don't worry. There is a lucky spin for you. And the both system have reward features. Now the payment method. There are 5 payment methods in this application. Bcash, Rocket, and Recharge methods for Bangladeshi users. We also have cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin and Litecoin for other country users. Now, I would like to ask a question to everybody. Is there anybody who earn money from online? And what is your first payment?
I worked on Odesk, some
And what is,
content
sir,
payment.
of your first payment? First payment.
I don't know, maybe 4,000.
Wow, that's really great.
I also tried to earn money from online. And that was also a Android application like my own developed application. But that app had no content. It has just 5 buttons, and when you click on any button it will show you some advertisement. After watching advertisement you will get some reward. After working 7 days I earned only $2. Then I was shocked. But I was realized that online earning is not easy. There is also have the legal and illegal way to earn money. If you want to make money on legal way, you need huge knowledge and skill. If you have only earning purpose from this application, then I'll suggest you don't use this application because this is a reward app and it's totally difficult and impossible to earn money without knowledge and skills. If you really want to earn money, you have to learn, then you have to work hard. So that's all from me. Hope you all enjoy it. Thank you.